Hi, welcome to my studio. This is where I design clothes and sewing patterns for a global market. We have printed patterns and download patterns. I am an illustrator, artist, I'm a designer. I'm an author, I publish, I'm a teacher, and my love of sharing clothes and how to make those clothes with simple, easy techniques is my passion. So I invite you to join us because it is a fun community where we share and support each other. As a designer and a love for clothes, I launched a couture collection back in 2012 and did many shows and did the wholesale circuit. I wanted to share these pieces with folks who didn't have that kind of budget and love to sew. So that's how the sewing patterns evolved. And I put out a few linen dresses. I love a layered look. And it became my personality. It is my personality. I've always designed for myself. So it warms my heart when our community people say to me, I wore such and such and I got so many compliments and I loved wearing the piece. So that's what this is all about. It's about women feeling and expressing themselves in our garments. And I am thrilled to share that with them.